Minister Mukul Sangma hit back at those accusing the government of using the civil subdivision inauguration as a political tool before the assembly election, stating that it is the duty of the government to fulfill its poll manifesto. The Chief Minister, while speaking after the inauguration of the Punarslai civil subdivision on Wednesday, pointed out that even the Supreme Court has observed that for political parties which have received a mandate from the electorate for forming the government, the guiding principle will be the political party's manifesto. Every member of such political party should be loyal to those promises and ensure that they are fulfilled, he added. The HYC and FKJGP Maulai Circle had on Tuesday alleged that the inauguration of CNRD blocks and civil subdivision in certain constituency is a political move of the government in the run-up for the 2018 poll.
How many years do you have as per the mandate? You have 5 years. Every day is important. Every hour is important. And we must do justice to the mandate. It is not a question of what we do now. It's a question of whether we are actually fulfilling our promises, which is met as we seek the mandate from the people. Our democratic system provides for every political party to seek the mandate from the people, from the citizen, from the electorates, based on certain vision and mission for the state, for the people. They are articulated appropriately in the form of the manifesto of the concerned political party. I have been referring to this, and I would like to further refer to even the observation of the Honorable Supreme Court, which says that for all the political parties who have received a mandate from the electorates during the election for forming the government, the guiding principle for such political parties and the government that has been installed will be the political party's manifesto. And every member of such political party should actually be loyal to those promises and ensure that collectively they fulfill those promises. So you look at our manifesto and you will see they are part of our manifesto, and we are committed. We still have some more promises which we are working hard to ultimately fulfill before we again go back to the people to seek mandate. So it's a question of fulfilling our promises based on the political manifesto, which is part of our promise as political party. And these promises are again met on our due diligence, exhaustive due diligence in articulating appropriately as to what are those things that we, when given the mandate, will have to do to ultimately ensure that the state is at the highest pedestal. The people are at the highest pedestal. We articulate those things based on, various hopes and aspirations and expectations of our beloved people. And that's how we stand committed to fulfill all these promises. Thank you.